Hi, my name is Marian, but you can call me Meg, and this is my point of view. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And I think this is like the first time I'm recording with like my video on, and I'll actually do a video about this whole video experience sometime later. But today, you're going to design with me. It's like a snow day and like really cold outside. I'm inside just chilling and decided to like just design something just because this is not like it's not tied to any project or anything. I'm just like flexing my design muscles, so I'll just be documenting this whole process. I went ahead and did I've already done like my wires for this design, and I have some of my components so that like things will be faster because I don't want this video to be like super long. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So I'm designing an event discovery app. I'll probably fast forward like a lot of it, but yeah, let's start from my. I don't know if I should start from my home page or I start from my onboarding pages. Let's see. Maybe I should start from onboarding because I'll probably start from onboarding. Actually, there's something I'm really passionate about that I forgot to add here, and it's first let me just make all this up. It's a continuous guest button because I feel like I also forgot to add like if you already have an account. Might have let them lie. Are you really gonna talk about it? So I was saying that like I'm a little passionate about this like continuous guest thing because I feel like sometimes you should just like be given the opportunity or space to like explore an app before you decide that you want to create an account. So yeah, I try to like always add it to the things I design or build. But yeah. Okay, so the real deal. I do homepage. Okay guys, almost done. This I've recorded for about an hour now, and I'm taking a break because I'm tired. So I'll be back to continue. Probably fast forward most of this so you won't see the entire hour, but like yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm back and I've made some progress since I left. Like I have finished the group chat page, and I low-key like how this is looking. I think it's cool. But anyway, I'm going to fast forward the next few pages. I'm going to be doing the the. 'Cause, 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 my events page next. So so when I pick up my phone, I've done it a couple of times. I'm trying to look at how the design is looking like on my come on. Yeah, how it's looking like on my phone. So okay guys, so we're finally on the last screen. Whew, it's been a long day. But I didn't want to like start and stop because I know if I stop right now, I'm not going to get back to it. So yeah, I stayed at it and it took me a couple of hours, but I'm finally on the last page, which is event details. So yeah, let's see. So I ordered food. I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. Hopefully this is. Okay guys, so I'm going to walk through the final design. It's been a long day, but we are finally here. So continue as guest. Let's. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm going to spend the next couple of hours editing this, but I hope this was. I think it was kind of boring, to be honest. So you guys should let me know like the kind of content you want me to put on my YouTube, and I'll do it. But I hope at least you enjoyed it, or like enjoyed watching me, and also like maybe learned one or two. All right, see you in the next one.